Hello, so in this video I will show you how to pass from this drawing to code. So I just take a picture of my drawing and I put it to DALL-E, write a prompt to generate the following screen. So I got this, I just will copy is the first result and I will paste it in this tool called B0. So I will start from 0. It is private, but if you request access, I got it in just one day. So just copy and paste and run. A good thing you can see the code. It is still working. You can share it, forking, favorite, and also it has the history. So right now I can see, for example, this thing, I didn't want it. So if you go to the image, it is like a combo box. I don't know exact name because I'm more a backend engineer. And also the drawing is terrible. You can see with errors here, letters, etc. So you can do a follow-up. So for example, I want to use a list instead. Go. So as you can see, it's generating the version 1. The version 0 is the original prompt. The version 1 is the follow-up. And I think it didn't understand what I put, so I will try again. So I want to replace with a list. Let's see it if it works this time. Yeah, got it. So as you can see, this button is not what I wanted because the terrible drawing. So I will do it again. Another follow-up. I want to replace the first little button with copy to the clipboard. So I had to put the first little because you have this big one and you have these 3 little ones. So it's doing the version 3. So actually in the handles it put examples. It's great. Yeah, it's fixed. So the last thing I will do, I would like to move the 2 little buttons from the bottom to the right. So it's in version 4. Yeah, this process is like the human works normally. You are iterating and fixing issues. Yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, actually the UI is very similar. So for example, I tried it before, I got these buttons with colors and right now it's perfect. So let's see the code. This is a good thing. It is using SVGs to generate, I think, the thumbs icons probably. So yeah, like tweet, dislike tweet, and it make it very lightweight. Also, if you install the B0 with npm, you just need to copy this in your terminal, paste it, and the file will generate it immediately. So that's all. Thanks for watching.